But we don't want water. Look, Daddy, I'm just cleaning the barbecue.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Got the steps all clean.
It looks like John's having a little snack.
Ready? Just think you should make a little.
You eating snow, John?
It didn't work.
You need Matthew's tool.
It's the clean snow.
No.
Snow.
Oh, but don't eat the dirty snow.
Ready?
Hold on.
Matthew, I think you should clean the fire truck. Let Daddy
Yeah, you can eat the clean snow.
The snow's back there. Watch this, Daddy. Good job.
Yay.
Woo.
You holding on? Oops. Got more snow to shovel.
I see that. It's a great thing you're doing.
Oops. You gotta steer. You don't want to steer into the stairs. Can you turn it that way?
Good job. I know, we're not gonna let you go there.
What is it?
It's part of the mission.
Oh, part of the mystery machine fell off? Well, you know what? Bring it in later and I'll look at it, okay?
Why?
It probably needs some glue.
You're cold, Matthew? That's great. Or, Matthew?
Come on, Matthew, I'll take you.
Dad will take you inside, okay? You're cold too?
Come on, we'll go stand in front of the fire. Somebody help him get up the stairs. Let's go stand in front of the fire. Ooh, it's cold out here. Hang on, I'm coming.
Give me a ride.
All right, everybody go stand in front of the fire. Get warm.
Take this off.
You want me to take it off? All right, I have to put the camera down. Hang on. Look what I see. Hey, everybody. Let's load it up.
Emma, what day is it today? That's right. What day does the Easter Bunny come? Sunday.
Today is March 25th,
Is that right?
2005. Is that right?
Which one said?
Oh, well.
Yes.
Hey, Sam, come here for a second. Come hold this since I'm never in any movies.
Since what?
Since I'm never in any
Oh,
movies.
yeah.
Oh, just look there. John! Say hi to Sam. Come here. She's over there. Look. Hi, Sam.
Wave, John. Wave, Daddy.
Yay! We're going to see the animals. All right, watch this. Woo!
Kathy, you better wave.
Hello.
Mommy, you better wave.
Hop in. Jump in. Where'd what go? Your bag? Show it to you in a second. Come look inside. Sam.
That's what I was going to do.
Let's see how everybody's snuggled in. All so comfy.
We go.
All right, you good, John?
Yeah. Where's my bag?
I see it.
Your bag's right here.
Everybody wave. John.
All right, everybody wave to Sam. Yay! All right, off to the zoo.